Shamanettes, and welcome to The Beauty Shaman. So today I am going to address the issue of how expensive everything is in life. Everything is super expensive, but sometimes you still want to buy jewelry or buy yourself something nice or buy a gift for somebody. Or as the holidays are coming up, we're thinking, what can we get for people? We don't have any money. What does this look like? So Mint and Lily is a jewelry brand that sent me products, and I bought some rings. So I didn't buy them. They gave them to me. I'm very excited about these rings. I think they're beautiful. I'm also excited about the brand because I feel like this really hits a nerve. I wanted to show you, I have a discount code, so check it out down below to shop, okay? So I want to show you what they sent to me, why I like it so much, exactly what it is. I want to break down what each one is because I think many of you will like what I bought. Also, I'm going to then go into the brand a little bit and why I like this brand and why I think they've got something good going on. Let's get going. Okay, so Mint and Lily is affordable quality product. They're based in San Francisco. They mailed me some products, so I'm going to show you how it came. So it comes in this cute, little box because I only got 2 pairs of rings. And then you open it. There's the branding inside, and they come in these lovely, sort of reminds me of Tiffany's, right? As a fan of Tiffany's, like that is really a nice little touch with the turquoise and the Mint and Lily label on it. So as you pull them out, they're attached using a lovely little rope, which is raw materials. I love that, against white. So you really can see the product. And as you can see, this is gold, this gold stackable ring, which I'm going to put on and show you. But I think that's lovely. It looks really nice when people take it out. It's very impressive. This particular product comes in gold, silver, and also rose gold. Okay, so this is the first one. So this is a stackable ring. One ring has my name on it. I put S-U-Z or Zeta, depending on what country you're in. Suze, my name is Suzanne, so I put it at S-U-Z. And then the middle one for me is the birthstones. So I put my birthstone and my 2 daughters' birthstones. I didn't have anything like this, and I've always wanted something like this. My mom has something like this, and I just thought, how cool is that? And then the other one is a row of lovely gems. So just a single row, which is very delicate and lovely. I love delicate jewelry, I have to say. I'm not really into statement pieces. I'm more of a subtle. I tend to like subtle in just about everything. As you know, I do skincare and makeup. I tend to really go for subtlety. I love how bright the gold is. I think it's really stands out on my hand. These stackable rings all come to, here it comes, $69. So that's a really, if you don't know, that's a really good price for 18 karat gold plated rings. That's really good for all 3 because it comes in a set. So I didn't buy these separately. I bought them all at once. And I just kind of want to hold it in front of my face, for the whole day. People are going to think I got married. No, wrong hand. Okay, so this is the other one. This is a knot ring. So it's in a knot. So they all stay together so I can play with it and move it. It's a fidgety ring. So I like to fidget with my rings. I don't know if you're like that, but I'll sit and take them off and put them back on and try them on different fingers. And that's kind of one of my little fidgety things I do. So when I saw this, I thought, oh, that's perfect for me. That looks really nice to me and I like that. Okay, it's on my left hand, still not getting married. So I've worn them as I've gotten my hands wet. I do take my jewelry off at night, so I don't sleep in jewelry, and I do take them off before I take a shower. Having said that, I have washed out some dishes with these on, and I have not noticed any sort of materials coming off on my hand or turning my fingers green, God forbid, because that would drive me crazy. So why do these fit my style? I think it's important to really address that before you shop is what is your personal style? Beautiful things on the website and a nice variety of choice. So I do feel like there's something for everybody, and I do like the fact that they monogram rings like they did on this one and that you can choose birthstones. So those kind of things I think are really cool. Like you could get one of the necklaces that has maybe a child's name on it, or you can get that in bracelets. You could get that again in a ring like I did. So they've got a nice choice to really personalize things. So I could buy this for one of my kids and they would say, oh, this is really cool. This is really personable. Okay, why do I like this brand? There's a couple things I like about this brand. One is that everything is affordable because it's direct to consumer. So they don't have the middleman. So because it's direct to consumer, they can really keep their fees, their charges down. The majority is made in San Francisco. I think there are different bits and bobs that come from different parts of the world, but on the whole, it is in San Francisco. So I like that too. Nothing against Chinese brands or other brands. I just think it's a point. The other thing I like is they use really good materials so that they don't tarnish. So it's really hard to find things that are affordable as well as not cheaply made. They also have quick shipping and free shipping over $65. It's very easy to reach that $65 if you're like me. One of the other best things about this is there's a lifetime guarantee. That is crazy. I always look for that because, you don't want to take it home, it breaks, you get in touch with the company and they say, sorry, right? So this company won't do that. There's a lifetime guarantee. So excellent. That really shows that they're putting their money where their mouth is, and you can return it if you need to. There's over 20,000 reviews on their website. So please check out their website, and each product you can go ahead and look up the review for that ring or that bracelet or whatever it is to see what other people have thought of it. So they've really put time and effort into getting reviews, which I think is super important and valuable. And having owned a business, I can say it's really hard to get reviews. So I'm really glad they've done that. There's no nickel, no lead, and no tarnishing on anything. It's lifetime guarantee. So gotta love that. So I hope you all check out Mint and Lily and get some really good bargains for the holiday season, for the gift season, for all of those people in your life that you want to shop for, but you are really strapped financially. I think this is a great idea. So I'm all about beauty and all about authenticity. So I think this is a good thing, and I really hope you all check it out. Thank you so much for watching The Beauty Shaman.